Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So today's video is going to be on Beauty Forever hair, and that's the hair that I'm currently rocking, and I've been wearing it for about a week. So today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to be doing wand curls on this hair, and my next video will be like an update slash just video on how the hair has been acting. Okay, so this is their Malaysian curly, and I have in 3 bundles of 26 inches as well as a 24-inch, and I have a 20-inch lace closure, and this is a unit. So I'm going to be doing wand curls using the Numi wand, and this is what it looks like. I got the Octa wand, so I really don't know the inches of, you know, my detachable wands, so that's why I just show you in the video. Okay, so this is the hair in its natural state, no added product. It is freshly washed because I washed it last night so that it could be fresh for this video. I find that doing curls on like wavy or curly hair is a little bit better. To me, it holds a little better than if you did straight. So we're just gonna see what this hair looks like in wand curls because I'm fiending I'm fiending to find out myself. Okay, I'm gonna stand up so you could just see how long the 26-inch is. So the curls are super duper tight, so the 26-inch only hits me at the bottom of my boob, but as you can see, the curls on this hair are super duper defined. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. I'm trying to see if I want to go in and brush the curls first, or if I just want to just take pieces and just start curling. So I'm gonna start off with just, you know, taking pieces and curl it, and if I don't like the way it looked, then I'll go in and brush it and so on. Okay, so stay tuned if you would like to see this video. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna skip through it. The first piece, I left it curly. I didn't comb it out, and I wand curled it, and I did it going backwards. Okay, and after it dropped, I just was like, I could still see like waves inside of the curl, so I was like, you know what, from now on I'm just gonna brush it. So that's what I did. I used my wet brush. It is a detangling brush, and you could use it while the hair is wet or dry. So that's what I decided to use. I just brushed the hair out right before I curl it, and I feel like that definitely created a better result. It's really not too different. It was kind of the same result once I looked back at it, but I don't know. It just made me feel better to brush it out, so that's what I did. Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to be curling backwards, and as you wrap the hair, you kind of twist it just a little bit so that it creates a coil and not like a curl from a curling iron. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show a little close-up right now. So this is the section, and again, you wrap and twist, wrap and twist, wrap and twist. I probably held it for about 5 seconds before I let it go. Alright, so we're moving on. Okay, we need to get through all this thickness because it is 4 bundles, so it is a lot of hair. So again, I find that working in sections is better. It makes it easier, it makes it quicker, and just an even flow. So I'm in the back, and I'm just showing you that I can't even really see the back of my head, like using the little mirror that I'm using. I was using my makeup mirror, and it's very small. So yeah, everything is basically the same. When I get to this side, it's like a little bit more difficult for me, so I like to start from the bottom and work my way up, especially because there's more hair on this side because I have the side part. So, you know, just do what you feel is easier for you to do. And at first I was doing like, I feel like I was doing like a bigger chunk of hair, but I find that it's a little bit better when you do smaller sections. So, well, not sections, pieces, smaller pieces of hair, because that heat is catching each strand. And when you get to this side, you curl backwards as well. I mean, you could do both ways or to the front, but I find that curling backwards is a little bit better, because if you curl forward, it's going to be all in your face, and your hair looks way better when the hair is coming towards each other. The curls are coming toward each other in the back, in my opinion. So that's why I always curl going away from my face on both sides. Okay, now we're on to the last section of the hair, which is the top of the lace closure. And this section goes by very quickly. You know, when it's a closure, you have less hair to work with, so it just flies by. This is my favorite part of doing curls. Once I get up here, I'm like, okay, I'm basically done. And again, we're still curling backwards. Okay, this is the last curl and I'm done. So this is what the curls look like. And you know, I had to slow it down for y'all and show you the back because it is just gorgeous. Look how bouncy and coily those curls are. Like, I wasn't ready for these results. But let's get back into the video. So these are my final results, and as you can see, it created some beautiful bouncy voluminous curls, and it's very, very fluffy. So what I did notice is that while I was curling, I did notice that if you go a little closer, it kind of looks a little frizzy towards the top of the bundles, like where the wefts are, and that's probably because of the curl. So I'm gonna wear my hair like this today, and at the end of the day I'm gonna do a check-in. So really quick, I'm gonna show you what time it is. It is 4:07 p.m. and I'll probably be back up around 9 or 10 or so, and that's when I'll do a check-in. But girl, these curls are absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love it. It just looks like really, really natural, like natural hair that got wand curled. So yeah, and when you wand curl your hair, this is how long it will be. So it definitely is a little tighter than the natural curls, because as you can see, it comes like right here, mid boob. So this is bottom boob, this is mid boob. So if you did this on shorter hair, it will be even shorter. Okay, so yeah, that is my results, and I'll be back with the check-in. Okay y'all, this is the check-in. It is 9:08 p.m. and I just got in, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it is a bit more frizzy, and for maintenance, I would say you could probably do flexi rods, like the big ones. I used to do a lot of flexi rod tutorials on my channel when I first started, but I haven't wore flexi rods in years, which gives me an idea. Maybe I should do a flexi rod tutorial. Let me know if that's something y'all would want to see, because this is how my flexi rod curls come out when I do my flexi rods sets. Yeah, so let me know if that's something y'all want to see. I would love to do that. I have to buy some flexi rods first, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like by the end of the day. I've been getting a lot of compliments on how natural and coily my hair looks. It does definitely put me in the mind of like a kinky straight you know, flexi rod set. And this is what I think. It just looks really, really gorgeous, and it's super full. It basically looks the same, it just looks a little bit more natural as time passes because it looks a little frizzy. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if y'all have any questions for me. I will be coming with an update / review soon, so look out for that. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumb me up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. Again, this hair is from Beauty Forever, and so far so good. And I'm gonna have the links down in the bottom bar for you. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.